welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to give someone access to a Google Drive link. Once you are on your Google Drive, the first thing you need to do, locate the file or folder which you want to give someone access to. So here is the file which I want to share. Click on the three vertical dots next to the file, select share and then click share again. Before we can send someone the link, we need to make sure link access is set to anyone with the link. Then decide the level of access for this person. If you just want them to be able to view the document, set this to viewer. If you want them to be able to edit the document, change this to editor. Once you have set these permissions, go to the search box at the top. Type in the email address of the person you want to give access to, confirm the editor or viewer is selected and press send. You can also just copy the link and send it directly to them. I hope this video will be helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.